Hey guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com, and today is the 3rd of July. I'm taking a sell position. I'm setting my take profits now. Okay, it's like a mini, not a scalp, but like a scalp trade. And this, we started this account with $250. Okay, let me just set my alert. I'm setting my hedge also. We started this account with $250. We're at 16,000 right now. We've made a profit of about 16,000. We've made a withdrawal, so we're trading free with the market's money. Very soon I'll be making another withdrawal. Guys, make sure to subscribe, click the notification bells, and like and make a comment. We'll be right back when we're into more profits. If you want to copy my trades, sign up with the broker that I use, Muga Markets, link in description below, and send me proof of that on WhatsApp and Telegram to copy my trades for free. If you want free signals, you want to test the software also that tells me when to buy, where to sell, where to exit my trades, literally does all the analysis for me. Tells me about scalping, about swing trading, where to exit, where to hedge. You want to test it for 2 weeks, sign up with Muga Markets, link in description below, and send me proof of that. Make sure you have at least $150 in your account to test my software so I know you're serious. And to copy my trades, you need at least $350 to $500 to connect to my account. We'll be right back into this trade when we're into more profits in the market. All right, guys, I heard my alarm that I set for my take profits. We're getting closer and closer to hitting take profits. Closer. Take profit hits. Yes, yes, yes. My account is over $19,000 in profits right now. I'll be right back. I just had, I wanted to record my take profits very quick. I'll be right back. All right, so we're back. We made almost $4,000 in that trade, guys, in less than 1 day, in less than 12 hours. In less than 12 hours, made almost 4,000, 3,960, almost 4,000 in just one trade, scalping the markets. Remember, if you want to learn how to do this yourself, you want to buy the course and get the software for free also, go to hedgingmastermind.com. If you want to have it on trading view so you can use it with the best market conditions to get your best analysis, go to hedgingmastermind.com and get the trading view version. With that being said, like, share, and subscribe, and make sure you comment. I also have live streams that I do every week. I do it at least 3 times a week. Fund your account, sign up with my link, and just come make profits with me. Join the live stream, ask questions about trades you're in, ask questions about trades you want to get into. I give free analysis, free signals. It's usually Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, usually around 8 a.m. Is it 8 a.m.? Or yeah, around 5 p.m. Amsterdam time. Convert that to your time. With that being said, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll be right back with another video soon. Scalping and making profits. We're trading free with the market's money and making profits. Sign up with my link, and we'll be right back soon.